Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to explain how you can make your image or photo in the Microsoft Designer photo editor black and white. There are two different ways how you can do this in 2026, so let us get started and show you how it works. So head over to the Microsoft Designer editor, upload or insert your image, click into it, and here navigate to edit on the left hand side. Here guys, option number one would be to use or to apply a black and white filter. You will find it under filters, click into show all, and there are 4 different black and white filters. I will go with the standard one, wait for the converting to be finished, and that's it. That's option number one guys. You can also go with one of the others, or if you'd like to customize that even as a little bit more, you may use the image adjustments. Click into it, click into adjustments at the top. And here guys, you may use some of these sliders here to the left, like the temperature, the sharpness, for instance, to get rid of the color step by step. And there you go, and make it slightly more black and white. So if we remove the saturation, it will technically also look black and white, and then you can work with the contrast here to increase the intensity of the black color, make it darker. Do the same for the image brightness. So it's up to you guys which, or that's too dark. It's up to you guys which setup you use. You may also reset the image to its default color settings here, and that's option number 2 guys. So thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.